Ice cream is a delicious frozen dessert that many people enjoy. It's made from milk, sugar, and flavorings like vanilla, chocolate, or fruit. One of the best things about ice cream is that there are so many flavors to choose from. When you eat ice cream, you can have it in a cone or a cup. Cones are made of crispy waffle-like material, and they're fun to eat because you can lick the ice cream as it melts. Cups are good too because you can use a spoon to scoop up the ice cream. Ice cream is often served with toppings like chocolate syrup, sprinkles, or whipped cream. Some people also like to add fruits like strawberries or bananas. These toppings make the ice cream even tastier. Ice cream is perfect for hot days. It's cold and refreshing, and it can help you cool down when the weather is warm. That's why many people like to have ice cream when they go to the beach or have a picnic in the park. There are different types of ice cream. Some are very creamy and smooth, while others have chunks of cookies, nuts, or fruits mixed in. You can also find dairy-free ice cream made from ingredients like coconut milk or soy milk for people who are lactose intolerant or vegan. Ice cream is not just for eating on its own. You can also use it to make desserts like ice cream sundaes, milkshakes, or ice cream sandwiches. These desserts are easy to make and fun to eat with friends and family. Overall, ice cream is a tasty treat that brings joy to many people. Whether you like it plain or with lots of toppings, there's an ice cream flavor for everyone to enjoy. So next time you're craving something sweet and cold, why not have a scoop of delicious ice cream?